guys, how are you guys doing? Welcome back to yet again a brand new video. And for today's video, I'm bringing you guys the videos that you guys have wanted for the past year. Again, you guys like annoying ass flowies, man. Get a new head unit. Get a new head unit. Get a touchscreen head unit. So if you guys don't know already, we have actually got a new head unit for the car. Let me actually show you guys in 3, 2, 1. Boom. Oh, Jesus. We fucking won't be having one soon. We have actually got ourselves a touchscreen head unit from the company called Auto Pumpkin. They've actually been really kind enough to send this out to me for free to do a video on. Right, so let's quickly do a quick unboxing of the bad boy, and then we can actually go downstairs and install this. Yo, I'm gonna have like a Tesla, man. It's gonna be boom, 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 boom. So straight up, we've got a user manual. Oh, don't care. We've got firstly some cables, then we've got some more cables, and then last but not least, we've actually got the head unit itself, which we are gonna quickly get out of the box now. Oh, Jesus. Right then, so let's actually have a look at our new head unit for the car. I'll be doing a POV afterwards to show you guys what this looks like and stuff like that. Let's reveal the new head unit for the car. And if you guys don't know what a head unit is, you're about to see. Ready? 3, 2, 1, boom. We're actually going to see if we can install this today. Obviously, you guys know me. I've never installed one of these to my car before. So let's go install it. Let's go break my car today. Right, so here is the car right now. It is very fucking windy out here. Oh, Jesus Christ, if I get blown away. First thing we've actually got to do before touching any electronics is actually disconnect the battery. I'm not sure if you have to do this. It's just a preference. Put that off, put that down there. Away from any metal. All right then, boys, so the battery is all nice and disconnected now. So we've got no horn. We've got no thing, and basically we're all good to work on the electronics of the car. But anyway, this is actually the old head unit. If you guys don't know, haven't seen it yet, this is actually it. So it's quite simple. Obviously you got your volume on, off. You know, this one dead. You know, that is from the 1980s. This is, what is this? Get rid of that poo. Time to pop in the new touchscreen one, which has navigation. You know, we're gonna get up with the times, you know. So quite simply, you put these in, and then you just yank it out a little bit. Very nice. And then hopefully it'll wiggle out and we can see all the cables and in there. Very nice. There you go. Yo, wait, hold on. We've actually got the old head unit bloody here. Oh, we could chuck this out the window if we want. We could, I don't know, keep it on my shelf in my room. That's crazy. Fam, that is crazy. Jeez, I could put my like pet dog in there. You know, this is a 6-seater now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Anyway, we have got the new head unit right here, and this is the back of it. So it's a little bit different to the old one. But yeah, anyway, I'm gonna go away for like 10 minutes, try and figure out how all this wiring works, and then I'll get back to it and I'll install it. I've actually connected the wiring up. Literally, it's as simple as plug and play, I think, this whole thing. So I plugged the power cable. It's actually an adapter that goes onto the actual power, and then it goes straight through to the power on here. As you guys can see, you need to make, I'm gonna make sure that's really tight by the time I finish with it. And then I plugged in the right and left aux, and it comes with beautifully named tags on literally every single wire. I mean, it's actually beautiful. I mean, I didn't actually see this, but it says take out these screws before installing. So let's quickly take them out. There we go, that's one. I think that's the other. Right, boys, the head unit has now been installed. It's not been 100% installed. It is test fitting right now, because you always want to test fit your things. We've plugged in the GPS connector. We plugged in that Wi-Fi connector. I don't think I've talked about this, but they come with a GPS and Wi-Fi. I've plugged in the power, I've plugged in everything, so it should be all good to go right now. Here it is, and honestly, does that not look beautiful? That literally is like the exact same finish as the top one. I haven't showed too much of the how I do it, because honestly, it's not tutorial. It's just trying to give you guys inspiration to do it yourselves. You know what I mean? Like, if I can do it, genuinely you can do it. And that's not like some people on YouTube, they're mechanics and they say, oh, well, if I can do it, you can do it. I've only just started doing work to my car pretty much the past year. So yeah, if you guys can do, if I can do this, you guys can simply do this. Oh my god, it's on. It's on. Oh my god. Oh my god, it's on. On the thing, it's a fucking welcome. What the fuck is this shit? Oh god. Alright guys, it is currently the next day and we've got the Corsa right here. Let's actually hop in it because I want to show you guys the radio. It is fucking sick. I mean, mate, I can watch myself on YouTube on here. Here is the head unit. It is absolutely elegant. It is beautiful, except for one thing. There's bloody fingerprints. Look at that. So before actually pushing the head unit in, I actually wired up. Can you guys see? Can you guys see? Boom! Yo, we've got a microphone. So when we're taking all those business calls, when we're on the go now, yo, they're going to be hearing out of this 10 grand microphone right here. It's not actually 10 grand, by the way. Just about to turn on the ignition. Let me know what you guys think about the new lanyards. They will be coming out very, very soon. It says, Ricer Boys, Slow Car Club. I think they look kind of cool. Let me know what you guys think. I'm not a graphic designer or nothing, but I think that looks pretty sick. So the head unit is now on the car, and look at this. So there it is, and honestly, does that not look like an iPad? I have an iPad in my car. Oh, what are we saying? And voila, boys, we've got a bloody iPad in my car. What are you saying? So let me walk you guys through a little bit. You know, you guys can see all the main apps you're going to use down here. You've got navigation. This ain't some bullshit navigation. This is actually, and this is Google Maps. And it works extremely well. Look at how responsive that is to me. 2 fingers, look at that. There's Warwick, Royal Leamington Spa, big up. So on Bluetooth, if we click Bluetooth, we can actually phone people from my thing because it's connected through Bluetooth. So if I wanted to call, you know, my nan or something, I could. You know, something that is so unnecessary for this, but you can do, is you can actually use Google Chrome if you really want. You know, you could literally, let's be honest, guys and girls out there, we can actually watch porn on here, you know? And of course, we can watch my own channel on here. Look at that. You know, we've got Bluetooth music that we can connect. We're actually connected on my phone right now. Walk it like I talk it, bang. Let's click play. Let's actually turn up the volume real quick. Obviously we've got radio, it does work. Hold on.
Drifting from the southwest all day, mainly
BBC Three.
Wales, southern.
Whoever the BBC is the most depressing thing. If you wanna have depression, listen to BBC Three. You know, how much nicer does my car look right now? I don't know how to explain what I'm trying to explain, but if you want your car to feel newer, you know, have all this navigation stuff over here. If your car doesn't have Bluetooth, for example, you know, my car doesn't, it only has an aux. Get a new head unit like this Auto Pumpkin one, and you've got Bluetooth, and you won't need any wires like the aux cable running about. I used to use this thing that plugged into the aux that was a Bluetooth, but now I don't need that, you know, because I've got this Bluetooth thing right here. So yeah, hopefully you guys did enjoy watching me install it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Follow me on Instagram at @_otherstuff and subscribe if you are new. Thanks again to Auto Pumpkin for sending this head unit out. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see their faces in my next video. What?